what? Vitruvius. Lord business. You have hidden the Craggle well, old man. Robots, destroy him! Yes, Lord Business. Your robots are no match for a master builder. My eyes. Ow. The Craggle, the most powerful weapon in the universe, is mine. Oh! Whoa, the Craggle! Now my evil power will be unlimited! Can you feel me? I can feel you. Woo! There's a prophecy. Oh, now there's a prophecy. About the piece of resistance. Oh yes, the supposed missing piece of resistance that can somehow magically disarm the Craggle. Give me a break. Dawn! One day, a talented lass or fellow, a special one with face of yellow, will make the piece of resistance found from its hiding refuge underground. And with a noble army at the helm, this master builder will thwart the Craggle and save the realm, and be the most interesting, most important person of all times. All this is true because it rhymes. Oh, that was a great, inspiring legend that you made up. Oh, a special one? Oh, come on. What a bunch of hippie, dippy baloney.